According to multiple reports, Apple has begun blocking updates for certain apps in this category. For example, apps like Replit and others offering AI-driven app creation directly on iPhones. Now, it's important to note, Apple hasn't removed these apps entirely. Instead, it's preventing them from pushing updates unless they make significant changes. So, what's the issue? At the heart of Apple's concern is how these apps operate. Many vibe coding platforms allow users to generate and execute code dynamically, essentially changing the app's functionality on the fly. And that's where things get tricky. Apple's App Store guidelines have long placed strict limits on apps that download or execute code after installation. The reason is straightforward: security, privacy, and control. If an app can alter its behavior dynamically, it becomes much harder for Apple to review and verify what that app actually does. In other words, the app you approve today might not be the app the user is running tomorrow, and from Apple's perspective, that's a risk they're not willing to take. Interestingly, Apple isn't against AI-assisted coding itself. In fact, within its own ecosystem, development is not only allowed, but it's encouraged with tools like Xcode.